Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here, it's Tuesday. It's Canteen Cup Tuesday time, and we're gonna cook up some soup. We're gonna do some bean bacon soup. That's right, bean and bacon. So let's get it on. Let me show you what we got here. Okay, we're gonna roll with some onion and carrot and celery and garlic. In here, we're gonna saute that up. I've got some black-eyed peas here that I've been soaking. And the recipe actually calls for cannellini bean, but that's what I had, so that's what we're doing. I've got some bacon jerky. I've got some bouillon cubes for my chicken broth. I've got some black pepper and oregano, some parsley, and some hot sauce. So let's cook. Alright, first thing we need to do is render out a little fat from this bacon jerky. Get rid of that do not eat. And let's just dump that stuff in. Come on, get all of it in there. There we go. Now, I just added just a touch of water to the bottom of that pan. I wasn't really getting enough fat out of that bacon jerky this time. So I'm going to use a trick that people who are vegan use, and they do what they call a water saute. And they put just a touch of water on the bottom of the pan that they're cooking in and saute in that water. Alright y'all, the vegetables are softening up nicely. Let's add my beans. And I've got a half a cup of dried beans here. Now we need some chicken broth. Voila, chicken broth. Let's go ahead and get that black pepper and oregano in there. It's about that much mixed up. See there? About that much. In the description below today, I'm going to put the original recipe for this, and you can look at it and kind of get a feel for how I take a recipe and break it down for a canteen cup. Alright y'all, my soup's been over here cooking away. We're going to add the parsley in. And we're going to add the bacon back in. Alright y'all, I think my soup is about ready to eat. Almost boiled down to a nice stew here. Let's see what we got, y'all. Oh, there we go. There's supper. Oh, man, that smells good. There we go. We got some bacon bean soup. We got a little hot sauce courtesy of KFC. Let's get that in there. That's what I'm talking about. Can y'all see that? Can Can you see that? Oh man, that's gonna be good. I'm so happy. It smells so wonderful. Now I wish this was smell-a-tube. It's hard to beat a good bowl of soup when it's cold out. That's pretty awesome. Look here, we'll see you on the trail.